Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
How to draw a frog for kids. Drawing is an engaging and fun activity for kids. Here is an easy drawing tutorial that will help your child to draw a cute frog in a few simple steps. What you will need to draw a frog: a pencil, an eraser, an A4 size plain paper or plain white sheet. Colors. Frog drawing for kids in 12 simple steps. Step 1. Begin with drawing a horizontal oval on the sheet. Using a pencil, draw a horizontal oval shape on the sheet. The oval shape should be slightly elongated. Step 2. Draw a smaller oval under the oval drawn in Step 1. Draw a smaller horizontal oval shape under the bigger oval. This will form the body of the frog. The bigger oval should overlap the smaller one, as shown in the picture. Step 3. Draw the limbs of the frog. Draw one oval, the size of your thumb, on either side to make the limbs or hind legs of the frog. Step 4. Draw the webbed feet of the frog. Draw 3 V shapes under the 2 small ovals drawn in Step 3. The webbed feet should be drawn under the hind legs of the frog. Step 5. Draw curves and arcs to define the characteristics of the frog. Draw 2 arcs facing each other inside the oval which forms the body of the frog. Refine its hind legs with curves. Step 6. Complete the forelegs. Complete the forelegs of the frog by drawing the front webbed feet. Step 7. Draw the eyes of the frog. To make frog's eyes, start with drawing 2 dome-like structures on top of the oval shape drawn in Step 1. Draw them just like you would draw Mickey Mouse ears. They shall form the base of the frog's eyes. Inside each dome, draw half a circle as shown in the illustration. Step 8. Draw 2 small circles to complete the eyes. Draw a circle inside each half circle drawn in the previous step. These circles will form the black part of the frog's eyes. To make the white part of the eyes, draw 2 little circles on the top left and top right in the left and right eyes respectively. Step 9. Draw the mouth of the frog. Drawing the mouth of the frog is very easy. All you have to do is draw a curve inside the oval shape drawn in Step 1. Step 10. Draw the nostrils. Draw 2 small dots about 1 centimeter above the curve drawn in Step 9 to make the nostrils of the frog. Step 11. Draw the toes. Just like the dots drawn in the previous step, draw dots at the end of the pointed webbed feet of the frog. Step 12. Color the frog. Color the body of the frog green and its eyes and toes black. There you go. By following these simple steps, you can teach your child how to draw a frog. Let him practice this drawing for a while and he will surely get better at it.